Assalamu alaikum. I'm Amna Heather, lecturer Institute of Business Studies. I'm here with the course of Marketing Management, and in today's lecture, I will give you an insight about ethics in marketing. These are actually the main topics that we will go through in this session. That includes the definition of marketing ethics, importance of marketing ethics, ethical issues revolving around the 4 Ps. So, moving towards the definition of marketing ethics. Marketing ethics are the moral principle and values that need to be followed during any marketing function. So, what does that mean? Ethics is like adopting good practices, and by good practices, I mean that the businesses need to be careful. They need to be conscious about their customer. They need to be conscious about their environment. They need to be more conscious about their employees. So they need to adopt good practices in dealing with others, in making decisions, and behaving in a more better way with others. Take a daily life example. For example, a person who treats his family, his friends, his fear, and everyone, keeping in view certain moral values. Certain moral values means that he is being honest, he is being fair with them. So he will be able to build a very strong bonding with others. Then compared to the one who cheats, who is being dishonest, or who is being fraudulent towards others. So such dishonest relationship with only result in very fragile relationship, and that relationship wouldn't sustain for a very longer span of time. Think of a business. Think of a business who pushed a product on a customer knowing that that product isn't going to solve their problem. So that act actually raises question on the morality of that business. So ethics as marketing is not about making a good marketing strategy. It's more of a philosophy that is promoting honesty, a philosophy that is promoting fairness, a philosophy to promote responsibility that is depicted through their marketing efforts and through their marketing functions. So, moving towards the marketing ethics, why is marketing ethics important? Ethics is an important consideration in marketing decision, and because applying ethics in marketing would mean practicing fair standards in organization. There is a famous saying that products are created in factory, but brands are actually created in the minds of consumer. So uh, that is where the business need to focus on. They need to create a positive attitudes in the minds of consumer towards your business and towards your organization. uh, Shortcuts and dishonest routes would at times they seem very convenient, but they are not going to take you towards the destination. So a sustainable business do right things. Obviously, some of the world successful and sustainable businesses are built on sound ethical code of conduct. Taking the example of Domino's Pizza, what they actually did that they use real photographs of their pizzas in their advertisements rather than Photoshop picture. Such a trivial act, but it had created a positive impact in the minds of consumer. They assume that they are actually not faking their products. Similarly, nowadays, when businesses are substituting polythene bags with paper bags, it is creating a very positive image in the minds of consumer because they believe that those businesses are actually they care for their customer and they care for their environment. So when there is immense competition among businesses, business can gain competitive advantage by conducting business on more ethical terms. There was a recent example of a famous brand, Maria B. Their controversy recently surfaced the internet when they made their helper, who was tested positive for coronavirus, and they made him move to his village. To this, a lot of people got upset as they believe that it have caused hundreds of people infected who can't even afford to pay for their basic health care. So such trivial acts can make your business, they can actually make your business, or they can actually break your business. And since marketing practice isn't about gaining new customer, but they have to retain those customer, and that is only possible if business adopt good moral values and principle for their business. Ethical issues in marketing. Ethical issues in marketing revolves around the 4 P's, that is product, price, promotion, and placement, or in other words, distribution. Ethical issue might be related to product, like if the product is not performing according to what the company claims, that then it raises ethical issues. Ethical issues might be related with prices. For example, it is unethical when you charge supplementary price when the customers actually buy a product. Ethical issues might be related with place. For example, it may be wrong if a product is of standard quality at one place and substandard at another place. Ethical issues might be related with promotions, like the business make superficial claims and they try to deceive their customers. So we will go through all these marketing functions in more detail in the upcoming slides. Ethical issues related to product includes misleading information about the product and service, the value of the product, and its functions. Since businesses actually design their products and they make their products, so obviously they would be held accountable to what they actually deliver. For example, you buy a toy for your kid and apparently it seems a good one, but when you go home and you find that it has a lot of sharp ends, and exposing the child to that sort of risk is of course unacceptable. Secondly, when you are designing your product and when you are making your product, you have to keep in mind the cultural impact of the product or services you are going to deliver. For example, if you are making if McDonald created a beef burger in India, that would create a huge turmoil because it's against their religious beliefs. So when you are delivering a product, you have to keep in mind their cultural values, their cultural impact. And then you have to take care of the environmental considerations as well. For example, you have to take care of the resources. Obviously every country has very scarce resources, so if you are delivering a product, if you are making a product, then you have to see that you have to utilize those resources in a much efficient way for the convenience of its consumer and for the countries as well. So now we will see ethical issues revolving around the pricing. Common ethical concern is whether the pricing is fair. Consumer want value for money. Product may be small, but it must be useful. So the consumer needs that what he has actually paid for in return, what the value he is actually getting is creating satisfaction for him or not. So the price needs to be fair enough, considering that the current pandemic situation, when lots of people lost their jobs and they are unemployed. So if producer raise the prices of the commodities, poor people, many people don't have resources to buy those products. So what should be done? Producers should be forced to reduce the price. So then obviously we have to see that what kind of product it is. If it's come under basic need, then really big ethical debate can be held on it. When customers are exploited in the process of making higher profits, that also create an ethical issue. Business try to get maximum profit. They are trying to sustain their business. They have standard quality. They satisfy their customers. So obviously, they might charge more for their product, and the consumer might not be able to pay for it. So ethical issues might be related with the promotion of the business. Since everyone knows that advertisement is one of the essential element of promotion. And what is advertisements? It is the process the business actually adopts to make their products known to their customer. But the way it create awareness may pose some ethical issues. The promotional aspect influence the customers toward the product or service. Customer may be influenced by advertisement. Advertisement do play with the minds of consumer, even they are not sure why they want that product or that service. It's at times it just seems like a good choice to have that product. There might be expectation that if they buy the product, they will start looking like the person in the advertisement, or they believe their life would be much better if they use that certain product. For example, take the example of a Fair and Lovely, and they tell you that you will start looking younger in 3 days in their advertisement. So I guess only miracle would make you younger that soon. Ethical issues arise when customers fall victim to misleading promotional tactics. Sometimes business lie about value of product. They exaggerate its importance. They make false claim about it. For example, they tell you that if you buy that product, you will look like these people and will gain respect if you have that car or something like that. Although such false claim are actually unethical, and the business need to avoid it. The other thing is product labeling. Product labeling actually means the contents that are actually depicted on the packaging of the product. So those labeling must fully inform the buyer of the product. They need to inform about its uses and the content being used in it. So labeling should be a very honest one. It should depict that it does and what it contains. For example, a certain type of sulfates in beauty products are actually harmful for people. So the labeling should clearly mention those contents, and then they need to be clearly mentioned on the labels. They should tell the customer about what is used in the product, and they need to be very honest about it. Ethical issues in distribution impact the relationship between producer, and the middleman. So, issues might be related with the distribution channel. We know that the bridge between the producer and the consumer is built by the middleman. So, the role of middleman is to ensure that the products are successfully reached to their end consumer. All intermediaries must work in agreement set by the business. So, the design of the contract between the producer and the middleman shouldn't be like the one that is bullying the other party or is forcing concession that are unfair. At times, ethical issues arise when middlemen take price concession from producer but set unrealistic prices and do not extend that concession to the end consumer. Similarly, uh, sometimes middlemen do create artificial storage to manipulate the prices of the commodities. So, such concerns do ignite the ethical issues and make the customers unhappy. There might be more ethical issues that need to be addressed, but we pointed out some for this session. This is actually the internet link that you can use as a reference to read more about the topic. Thank you for today. Thank you for listening.